Hello, this is a tour of the InfoSci platform by IGI Global, which is a great resource for anyone teaching digital literacy or otherwise trying to learn more about information science and computer science. It has a pretty easy to use platform here. You can start by going to the database search tab and choosing whether you want basic, advanced, or expert search, or going back to any searches you've saved in the past. The research tools give some really quick guides to how to use the interface, or user resources has even more information if you want an even more in-depth tutorial, or if you want to become an author or librarian using this platform. Down at the bottom here, we can see that there are ebooks, e-journals, and e-collections, and how many items are in each of those and how many we have access to based on our individual login. So since I'm logged in under Rutgers University, we only have about 1,000 of their books and not so much of their other resources. So I'll mostly be showing you some of the books available, which is definitely the strength of this platform as well. And so let's start with a basic search. We can just type digital literacy in this box right in the middle and hit enter. And it'll bring us over to our results page, which looks like this. Has all of our results by the title and the beginning of their abstract or summary. But if we click on there, it'll take us to a more detailed results page, which also has the outline and the beginning of the chapter for every piece of information in this book. A really good way to tell what books you want to read and what chapters you might want to download. You can also cite the book, add it as a favorite, or download the entire book up here at the top. Then next, let's look at the advanced search options, which is what I would use if I was looking for a very specific document, like I already knew the ISBN number, the DOI, I just wanted to get access to that book, or if I was looking for something, but I couldn't quite remember what it was called. So something like, I know the author's last name is Heron, and it was a book about student retention. And I clicked search and got these results, and the first one was exactly what I was looking for, checked all of my boxes. But if I didn't quite find what I was looking for, I would use the refine results options on the right-hand side here to choose only things owned by my institution if I wanted to find the full text, or content type, or copyright year, all of these different filters on the right-hand side. And finally, they have the expert search, which is a bit unusual looking, but if you're familiar with Boolean search, you'll be able to figure it out very quickly. So you can put up to 3 different search terms on the left-hand side, and then you can choose how each of these will be used. So I might want to exclude something, take that completely out of the search. Inflectional means that I want other forms of the word, like high school versus high schools, or something like that. And weight will determine how important it is within the search if some of the terms are somewhat optional. And once again, that brings us to our results page. That's all. Thank you.